do this for interruption marketing. So Facebook, when you're on Facebook looking at dog pictures and pictures of your kids and seeing what your mates have been up to, that sort of stuff, the last thing you're there for is to buy a beard comb, whatever it was. That's the last thing you're there for, okay? So you're interrupting somebody's normal activity to put a marketing message in front of them that hopefully, if you've done your targeting correctly, at least has value to them, okay? But it's the lowest form of traffic is interruption marketing based traffic, certainly in what I teach you anyway. So what you would do is you send them to an intermediary page, a landing page like this. I'm going to give you the link for this, so you've got it, and then I'm going to tell you some more things about this page. So we're going to get a little bit advanced, so you're going to have to stick with me. So this page is built on lead pages, and you could build it on anything though, Wix website, WordPress, I don't care, whatever you build it on. But it's a page where I've just taken all of the information from my Amazon listing and put it onto a landing page, okay? So here's my images, here's my bullet points, yada, yada, yada. You can see, taken some snapshot of the reviews I've got, and here we go. And so they come to this page, they'll read everything that's on your Amazon listing first, decide that they want to buy, and then you can send them to your page directly, all right? And now previously, we sent them to the page via a two-step URL. I'll just show you that. That's a two-step URL coming right up. And that was what a two-step URL would look like. They would click onto it, bada boom, bada bing, fresh session, all the good things that would accrue of doing that. However, now, don't do that. So this link here, this add to cart URL, should be a standard link. I'm going to give you this link too. So I've given you the bad version. Here's the good version. And if we open this link, you'll see it goes directly there through what's called a standard link. All right, a standard link, and that is safe as houses. All right, so if I was running Facebook traffic to my product, that's how I would do it. I would use a two-step process, but instead of running it through a two-step URL, I would make the first step a landing page. A landing page. Now, who would like a copy of this landing page? Would you like a copy of this landing page so that you can just edit it, put your own information in, and make it your own? Who would like that? That way, you haven't got to dick about with anything else. All right, so let me get you that. So what I'm going to do is I've shared this, and I'm going to put this in the Facebook group. So put it into the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, and you can just go. Now this, of course, will be a lead pages landing page because that's what I'm using. But if you haven't got a lead pages account, then you'll just be able to use it directly in that, and that'll be awesome for you. So landing page. Oops, Asher can't type for shit. Bada boom, bada bing. That's what it is. All right, so you can just go and get it directly from there, from our members area. There it is for you, okay? And that'll take you to that page where you can then go and instantly put that into your lead page account. If you don't want to do that, no dramas at all. Just copy this, just copy it into whatever it is you're doing, whether that is a WordPress page or something like that. Just get it copied, and that will work equally as well. The important thing is it's a step before your actual product, and when you're sending them to your product, you use just a normal standards URL that takes them to a page like that. Okay, that's the important thing. So that's what you do with Facebook. New strategy, works really, really well. The good thing about a two-step process where you send them to a landing page, well, let me ask you, what is the good thing about taking them to a page like this first? What do you think the good thing about that is? What does it enable us to do? Let's see. I know everybody in my advanced group will know this immediately. tag them, pixel them, cookie them. Exactly. So we can put a pixel on this page, a Facebook pixel, for instance, a Google pixel, for instance, which will then add them directly into our very own list that we can then use on Google, on Facebook, to do more marketing to them, all right? So that's a super cool thing that we can do. One of the many benefits about using a landing page is that you get to do that, which is super, super cool. All right, so that's that. That is Facebook interruption marketing, where the traffic is not as warm, Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.